Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have been meaning to do this video forever. This is going to be my top sales over $50 in 2021. Here it is, February. I mean, we've already made it through a 12th of the year, and I'm just now doing this video. I'm so sorry. But I just wanted to share my favorite and top sales. Most of these are on Poshmark. One of them is on eBay. I don't currently have that listing because, you know, eBay doesn't keep them like everybody else. So I don't know. Anyways, it would have been a Covington fabric sample. I sell those in yards of 2 or 3 yards. They're fabric samples that I got when I lived in North Carolina. There is one of the guys, and he would have the sample sales once a year, and he would charge only $1 for the 3-yard pieces or $2 for the 5 or the outdoor fabric. I forget. Anyways, but yeah, so I paid $1 for that one. I sold for $35. Shipped it all the way to Australia. She paid for shipping. I paid for it to go to Wrangler, Kentucky. Fitted in a padded flat rate. Sold it for $35, and I told her that if she needed more, to reach out, and she needed some more eventually. And we bundled the last 2 that I had for $50. So that's where that above $50 price range comes in for that sale. It's like a Mykonos Greece fabric. It was really cool. I think she was going to do some outdoor furniture and pillows and stuff. Anyways, so this is the first on Poshmark. These are a pair of Rachel Roy. These are actually really tall. They zip down the side. The faux laces in the front, they're really pointy. They had a little bit of wear on the tip, but I disclosed that. Sold them for $50. This actually wasn't the first time I sold these. I sold them once before, and I couldn't find them. I can't remember if it was whenever I had my flood and I had to move a lot of stuff, or if it was when I rearranged my reselling room and I couldn't find the bins of shoes. So I relisted them and they sold for $50. The next thing is this Coach Hampton's Collection Crossbody. I called it lemon lime because it looks like lemon lime. I didn't know the real color for it, but it sold. I had a lot of colorful things in my closet, and it looked really good. I like colorful stuff. I don't know if you guys know that. I sold it for $50. I bought it at a local thrift store for like $10. There was just a little mark on the handle. It was really clean though. Sold these Tuck men's velvet platform creepers. They are a men's size 6, so women's 8, really tiny men's size, but I did list them as men's. There was one site, I can't remember which site it is, where men's size didn't go that small, so I had to list it as a women's, but it did sell on Poshmark for $50. I don't remember if it was an offer to likers or what, but I think I paid $7 for these at Savers probably. There's a little wear under the tongue where the strings rubbed or on the tongue. This is a Pilly Q black flutter strapless swimsuit. It was new with tags, retail for $154. I don't know if you guys know, Pilly Q is a really expensive brand. As you can see, most of these things sell for or are listed and sell for quite a bit. This is part of my bathing suit haul. I don't think I did a video. I was kind of ashamed. I spent a lot of money. $700 on bathing suits. I was kind of impulsive. It was a really good deal, but I got a lot. I got like a heaping shopping cart full of swimwear. I've sold a big chunk of it because of this Pilly Q stuff. But yeah, that's the reason why I eventually got my own checking account, business checking account, because I was like, you spent what? So now it's completely separate. All right, so the next thing is this Joseph Ribkoff metallic leopard stretch dress. It's new with tags, retailed for about $200. Joseph Ribkoff is a Canadian brand, and they've got a following, believe me. I had this over on the ThreadUp, and it didn't sell, so I reclaimed it. And then, they changed all their stuff, so I never sent it back. But yeah, it sold for $55. I think I paid like $10 for it at Savers, maybe. This is the Sherry Hill. This was a beautiful dress. So Goodwill had a whole bunch of dresses donated, I'm guessing by a local like dress shop. And so they had everything priced at just $11, flat $11 for all these prom dresses and formal dresses. This had quite a few snags in the little accordion tool pleats. And then a little like piece in the back, which you couldn't even tell, but it like had like a pink and green like oil spill color when you moved it was beautiful. But yeah, I bought it for my daughter, and then by the time she got to wear it for prom, it was too small for her, so I listed it and it sold. So this Nicole Miller diaper bag, our local stage was going out of business, and they had all their stuff marked down. This is I had like 2 or 3 different ones. I had that tan one up there and the black one up there as well, and then this one was my favorite. I paid like $18 for these. They retail for about $100. Yeah, I sold it for $58. Sold a couple of them. I don't think this was the one that was returned. I think I sold the black one and I sent this one, and the black one was, and it was returned because I accidentally sent her the wrong one. I felt terrible. But this is the one that actually stayed gone. She kept it. So, let's see. A&D Daughters. I've never heard of this brand, but it's a really expensive brand. These were suede and with pink, like a pink blush rabbit fur. It was super nice. I don't know if you can hear the train, sorry. Yeah, I sold them for $60. And I think I paid like $10 for those maybe. Next is this Harley Davidson like vest, leather vest. About a little over a year ago, I went to a yard sale, and I got some fringe chaps, like women's stuff. This is a women's vest, by the way. And then I got a women's Harley jacket, and it had a picture of a flower on the back, and I forget what it said, but I sold that one to my boss. I think I paid $40, $50. I think 50 for all 3 pieces. Sold the jacket to her for like 125. Sold this for 99, and then so I estimated this to be about 10 because she wanted more for the jacket, and then 10 for the chaps. I think I talked her down to 30. I think she wanted at least 50 for the jacket, but I was like, all 3. So, next is this Heidi Daas. Let's see. It is really gorgeous. There was just one little faux pearl that was like rubbed off, and that was in the back. Definitely had like this Kate Spade feel. I don't know if you know this brand, but as you can see, it's costume jewelry that's listed like super high. I found it at Savers, and I think I paid like $3.99 or $4.99, but it's gorgeous. The lady loved it. And the last thing, which is my most expensive sale of 2021, I didn't have that great of sales and that many sales in 2021 because I took quite a bit of time off. I I don't know if you know, but like at the end of 2020, my mom passed away, and so did my father-in-law. So I just kind of wasn't in the mindset. So I wasn't excited about it. I still shopped because it was super therapeutic. But as far as the listing, I just wasn't motivated. She kind of motivated me, when she came and visited, and she made me feel bad whenever I didn't get things listed because I shop so much. So, but yeah, I didn't list a whole lot. So, of course, if you don't feed the beast, you're not going to sell anything or very often. And I didn't have a whole lot of sales in 2021. And a few sales that I did have, I couldn't find. So, but yeah, these were bed stew. They were new without tags. They're the Manchester boot. They're very like floppy. Like I don't know if you know, but if you cut like a pool noodle, it's super lightweight. You can store your boots with it like that, so they don't get really bent. The leather get messed up, and you can ship them and you can photograph them. But yeah, I had some pool noodles that kept them upright, or else they're super slouchy. Like they're like a really thin, flexible leather. They were like so new. They'd never been worn. They had extra wax coating on the bottom that you could tell wasn't wore off. So that's why I listed them new without tags. I think I took a best offer of $150. I had them listed for more. Bed Stew is a really expensive brand. I mean, when you think of like really expensive boots, you typically think of like Fry and stuff like that. But these bed stews were super nice and like had that distressed look as well. But yeah, $150. I don't remember. I think I paid $20 or $25 for them. They were definitely worth it. But yeah. Anyways, sorry it took me so long to get this video done. I am been such a procrastinator. Um, yeah. So it's hopefully I don't get I don't wait till almost 2023 to get it actually posted online on YouTube. I'm all intentions of having it done this week, I promise. But we do have a winter snow advisory and snowstorm and ice storm coming tonight in the next couple of days. So I might get stuck at work. I work at the post office. I don't know if everybody knows. I'm sure you do. If you've been here before, I am a full-time postal worker. I deliver the package, or I don't deliver them. I sort the packages to go out to deliver for the carriers to deliver that you probably ship. So anyways, I am just a part-time reseller, but I hope to eventually pick it up a little bit now that I'm career. I said that I was going to work less hours, but I'm working more hours than when I was a PSC. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what some of my top sales of 2021 were. I loved to watch everybody else's and see what they sold and what were their top sales as well. So you guys have a great day, and if you want to see my 2020 top sales, I can link that above. It's been a while, but you never know, you might want to see those as well. I had some pretty high sales on that one. Y'all have a good day. Bye.